Hello, my name is Michael, and today I am going to talk about risotto. So watch and listen. It is 6 o'clock in the evening, and today is Friday, and outside it is cloudy, it is overcast. So, today I am going to show you how I cook risotto. Risotto is one of my favourite dishes, one of my favourite meals. Risotto tastes really good, and this is how I make risotto. So, first I am going to prepare my ingredients. First, I need to slice my mushrooms with a knife into thin slices. Chop, chop, chop. There. Now my mushrooms are sliced. Next, I need to cut up to slice garlic. So I need to break up my garlic bulb, take out the garlic cloves, peel off the skin of the garlic clove and chop it up with my knife. Chop, chop, chop. Good. Now my mushrooms and my garlic are sliced up. Now I need to make my stock. I like chicken stock, but if you don't eat meat, if you are a vegetarian, then you can't use chicken stock. You use vegetable stock. But I am going to use chicken stock. To make chicken stock, first I boil water with my kettle, so my water is hot. Then I pour my hot water into a jug. Like that. And then I put 2 stock cubes into the jug. Then I mix this mixture with a fork. Now I have chicken stock. I have my sliced mushrooms, my sliced garlic, and my chicken stock. I am ready to start making my risotto. First, I need to turn on the oven. I am going to turn on my oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 6. Okay? When my oven is hot, I take an oven tray and I put my sliced mushrooms on the tray. Like that. Then I drizzle or pour a small amount of olive oil on my mushrooms and sprinkle a small amount of salt on top. Now I put this into my oven. Okay, now I wait for my mushrooms to cook. In the meantime, whilst I wait for my mushrooms to cook, I take a big pot and I pour a small amount of olive oil into my pot. Now I turn on the hob. I turn on the flame under my pot, and when the olive oil is warm, not too hot, no, I add my garlic and I stir my garlic with a wooden spoon, like that. I stir the garlic with a wooden spoon. When my garlic is a little brown, I need to put in my rice. So I pour in my risotto rice. Okay, now I stir my rice to coat it in olive oil, and I pour a small amount of stock into my pot. I continue to stir with my wooden spoon and I add small amounts of stock. When my rice has absorbed my stock like a sponge, I turn off the heat and I turn off my oven and I add my cooked mushrooms. I grate my cheese into my risotto, my hard cheese, hard, not soft, and I put in a spoon of butter. Then I sprinkle salt and black pepper into my mixture. And now I stir all of this together. I need to taste a small amount of my risotto. Needs a small amount of salt. So I am going to sprinkle a small amount of salt so my risotto tastes better. My risotto is done. It is ready to eat. So I am going to serve my risotto. I am going to put some risotto on my plate with a spoon. Looks and smells and tastes really good. Tastes really nice. This is how I make risotto. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.